Step by step, I feel the earth beneath me, roots, stones, and soft soil greeting my feet. The air fills my lungs, slow and steady. Each breath a reminder I'm here and alive. I move with the trail, each step carrying me forward, muscles waking, heart opening, a gentle rhythm connecting body and mind. Ahead, water glimmers in the sunlight, ripples dancing lightly across its surface. I watch them breathing in their calm, breathing out tension, worry, and noise. I am both the path and the flow, strong in my steps, soft in my gaze. Nature moves through me and I move through it, whole, grounded, and renewed. Every short walk to a nearby pond or a weekend by the river carries this medicine. It teaches patience, invites reflection, and offers the gentle reassurance that, like water, life moves forward and we can move with it. Thank you.